What makes NKT a great place to work is career opportunities. You can grow here professionally and develop yourself in different finance functions. My colleagues, they are wonderful. It's a great team to work with. They're very supportive and friendly. An idea of knowing that you work for the company who tries to connect us and society to a greener world, it just makes you feel wonderful. What I enjoy the most working at NKT is communication and collaboration with other NKT countries' departments in solving issues together as a team. The greatest benefits I see working here at NKT are supportive environment, funds for the team building and team lunches, Tai Chi lessons, free car parking and convenient and beautiful office location.